In recent months, catalytic converter thefts have skyrocketed across the country during the pandemic because of the precious metals inside them. Platinum, palladium, and rhodium have become limited resources and thus worth thousands of dollars per ounce in the black market, above the price of gold. Catalytic converter theft is a serious problem. And because of the surge in stolen cases, the average price of replacing a new one has been shot up to $1,000 to $3,000. While manufacturers and police are taking action, here are 3 methods you can use to protect your catalytic converter. Method A. Paint the VIN number. Get an oil-based metallic paint marker. Write down the vehicle identification number onto your catalytic converter, so it can be easily identified if it is stolen. You can also make a sticker displaying inside your windshield that indicates your catalytic converter is marked, preventing offenders from targeting your vehicle. Method B. Anti-theft device. The best way to protect your catalytic converter may be to make it harder for the thief to steal, such as adding rebar, welding the converter to the car's frame, or with commercially made devices that can be purchased and act as a cage around the converter. It makes stealing your catalytic converter very difficult for a thief in a hurry. Method C. Paint the catalytic converter. Get a heat-resistant bright paint and spray on your catalytic converter. Then inscribing your vehicle identification number on the painted surface. This makes it traceable, and most scrap yards or shops won't accept painted catalytic converters. So here are 3 methods to protect the catalytic converter. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.